the part you need to see. Can you see that place? As it's coming from this point here. Guys, I'm live at dangote fertilizer plant. You can see how far away I am to the floor. This is a conveyor that is taking care of products from far places down to extreme where we are going there. This is extreme. This is extreme. Now, I want you to know that this project, this system, is being configured and commissioned by my humble self, Enoch Ajani, from Light Automation Academy. And so we are currently running some setup to see the functionalities and how things are working here. I can tell you, I don't know if you see that movie, but I can tell you this is extreme. I can't imagine from my control room that this is what I'm writing a program for. Once I come here, I think it's just a small conveyor. This is long and extreme. Okay, we are working very hard day and night to make sure that the system is functioning very well. Okay, this plant is actually located in Nigeria, Lagos State, and of course the guys doing major work on the commissioning, part of them are blacks, in which I am also part of them, which are the local guys working to make sure the system runs very well and nicely. Man, this place is so hot, and this place is extreme. As you can see, the system is running fine. I'm currently going to one of my extension modules to get some things out and see how we can use to make sure that it works to the optimum request and of course the desired result for each unit. This is extreme. You can't expect a human being to be carrying this long journey. It's not possible. It's not possible, and so that's why you need a conveyor to do the transportation work. This is a very long conveyor system. In fact, the longest I've ever seen. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, what we just have here is fiber optics link. As you can see there, just the fiber optic links getting to this side. Nothing more in this panel. Just a link for fiber optics here. If you check very well, you see the principle behind this. The principle behind this is to make sure, let me reduce that, behind them covering this, is to make sure that the product is aligned. Okay, it's to make sure that the product is aligned. As they lift this side, so they lift the other side, so the product will always center at the middle of the belt, of the conveyor belt. That's the reason for them having this. Okay, that's the reason for them having this. You can see the speed of this, and this looks like the production hall. At the end of the day, you see all those guys being produced. This is going to be one of the largest, of course, in West Africa. I can actually imagine that now because I've worked so long and yet I'm not even half of the way to where the conveyor is ending. This is extreme, and that's why they need a reliable system to run this kind of thing. Okay, and that is what we are here for, and that is what anybody can learn and know. This is extreme. I think you should enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to pause a while till we get to some other part of it. You can see engineers deliberating on issues around, because we have some issue with the fiber optics cable yet sending signals, and you can see them deliberating. This place is extremely hot. See guys, very hot. This place is very hot. Okay, but you know, as an engineer, you make things work out, but you don't expect somebody to stay here. That is why the system has to be very effective and everything has to be automated. The only thing where you expect, although automation does not remove human intervention, it only reduces human intervention. Human agent has to be part of the system, of course. Yes. Another thing that is you should notice is the way these belts are joined. It's going to be very awesome, and of course those are some of the things we are going to be learning as well. Okay, let's enjoy the rest of this video as we deliberate on what is going on here. Okay. See my guys there. Okay, so now we are going to the panel. We are going back actually.
Ram,
going back to the panel.
that box is open, no?
Okay. Another information I just add now. This red cable that you see, if you touch it, it's going to trip the motor. I don't know if that is an emergency cable or how sure that is, but I'm guessing. I don't know why. But
No, that is confirmed. Emergency.
okay, it's confirmed emergency push, but emergency rail, or we call it a rope now. If you touch this or bang it, the motor is expected to stop. Okay, when you pull it, okay, so when you pull it, it's going to stop this system. That means something is wrong on the system. Very nice, because I was expecting the kind of safety devices they have to put here. Of course, they can't be putting. How many emergency push buttons do you expect them to put on this whole line? So I think this is a very nice one. I'm sure it will have a switch, a limit switch somewhere, or a spring-loaded switch that will be doing that job. Okay, now we are going to the extension module panel. Let's see what we have at the other panel for Siemens extension module that is taking care of the system here. Oh, this is the switch here. This is the switch doing the work. Okay, let me be fast. We get to that place and then we see what they have over there. Let's see what we have over there, because now we are trying to link our primary controller to this system here. Okay, that is our goal. That's our goal. That is our goal. Okay, so we are going to that system now. You can see the other guys ready to go there. So for that I have to pause this video. I have to climb to get to this place. So this is where we are going. Here we are. Let's see how the whole thing works out. Okay, this is system. I have a lot of red. This drive is not on currently. Be careful of those transformers over there. This is like a Dynamics drive G120. Okay, let me take a look and see what's there. Okay. Maximum we can open. That's a very good question.
What job? What job you want to do? Oh, we are doing pre-loop check.
So this is powered on now. And I think it's loading up. Okay. It's having some error, which we are trying to check why. Okay. This is the part you need to see. Can you see that place? As it's coming from this point here, okay, goes like this till it comes here.
So you see, granules will come here, yes, and then it will drop it.
Yes, enter like this, like a silo. The same thing over there too. Final part, that's the conveyor. That's it. That's the guy coming in. That's the conveyor guy coming in. Thank you. Please, just try and subscribe. You see how I'm sweating? And like this video. Bye bye.